Namaste and Jai Shri Krishna to one and all. On behalf of Gujarati Hindu Sanskriti Kendra, I would like to welcome you all devotees to celebrate a virtual celebration for Janmashtami Utsav. Today's program includes devotional bhajan by our local and international artists. And these artists are Vinay Bhai Soni, Umita Ben Kalyan, Shalini Ben Makkan Soni, Krupa Ben Jani, Manish Bhai Patel, Praveen Kumar and Rima Girkar all the way from India. વડીલો and મિત્રો, આજના આ કાર્યક્રમમાં આપની સમક્ષ ગુજરાતી કેન્દ્ર વિદ્યાલયના બાળકો આપણને ભગવદ્ ગીતા અને કૃષ્ણ ભગવાન વિશે એક નાનો નિબંધ કહેશે. Ladies and gentlemen, you will also get to witness a dance, Kanha Soja Zara, prepared and performed by Rasika and Kiana all the way from USA. Dear devotees, after the beautiful bhajan renditions, dances and the messages, we would like you all to join us to Ekta Mandir for Krishna Janam Utsav. Thereafter, we will conclude the celebrations by partaking in the Aarti. Thank you for joining. Jai Shri Krishna.
Vasudevam Sutam Devam Kansachanuramardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Sri Krishnam Vande Jagadguru. Krishna Kanhaiya Lal Ki Jai. Lal Mera, oh Lal Mera, Lal Mera, oh Nanda Dulara, Dula Mune, Paraniyama, Dule Nandavarana, Dula, Damadam Mastakariche, Nayo Mastakariche, Damadam Mastakariche, Nayo Mastakariche, Mata Jasoda, Paranula, Mata Jasoda, Paranula, Lakshnagarane, Lanayane, Lakshnagarane, Lanayane, Bolo Mara, Lal Dulara, Dula Mune, Paraniyama, Dule Nandavarana, Dula, Damadam Mastakariche, Nayo Mastakariche, Damadam Mastakariche, Nayo Mastakariche. Bola Samara Suna Payase, Bola Samara Suna Payase, Gauma Mata Mata Juvese, Gauma Mata Mata Juvese, Pairavaloma Javu Mare, Jula Mune, Paraniyama, Jule Nandavarana, Nola, Damadam Mastakariche, Nayo Mastakariche, Makan Chori, Mahi Khaji, Makan Chori, Mahi Khaji, Maiya Ene Lagi Magi, Maiya Ene Lagi Magi, Vishwarupa, Vishwarupa, Darshan Karave, Dula Mune, Paraniyama, Dule Nandavarana, Dula, Damadam Mastakariche, Nayo Mastakariche, Damadam Mastakariche, Nayo Mastakariche. Karajodine Vinave Mata, Karajodine Vinave Mata, Taro Saharo Mujane Mata, Taro Saharo Mujane Mata. दुलारा झूला मोहे पारैया माँ झूले नंदवर नंद दुलारो समागम मस्त करे छे कन्हैयो मस्त बन्यो छे 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 लाल मेरा हो लाल मेरा हो नंद दुलारा झूला मोहे पारैया माँ झूले नंदवर नंद दुलारो समागम मस्त करे छे कन्हैयो मस्त बन्यो छे समागम मस्त करे छे कन्हैयो मस्त बन्यो छे समागम समागम मस्त करे छे कन्हैयो मस्त बन्यो छे कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की जय।
Jai Shri Krishna. Today we celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna, also known as Krishna Janmashtami. Lord Krishna is one of the most well-loved gods of the Hindus. His stories are full of amazing wonders, as well as life-altering lessons. These are popular and salient for all ages. Lord Krishna was pivotal in the battle of Kurukshetra in the Mahabharata. Without his help, the Pandavas would not have won the war. There are a number of things that we don't know about this beloved god of Hinduism. Here are two lesser-known facts about Lord Krishna. Krishna was related to the Pandavas. Krishna's father, Vasudeva, was actually Kunti's brother. Kunti was the mother of the Pandavas, therefore making Krishna and the Pandavas cousins. Krishna's skin color was dark, not blue. Derived from his name, Krishna meant all attractive. He was known to possess beauty at his best. Although, as portrayed in the scriptures and ancient paintings as blue in color, Lord Krishna was dark, though due to his magnetic aura, which had blue hues, he was depicted and mentioned as a god with blue skin.
Namaste. Today is Krishna Janmashtami and we are celebrating the birth of Lord Krishna. He gave us precious lessons in the Bhagavad Gita. Today I will tell you all about the Bhagavad Gita's meaning in one sentence per chapter. Chapter 1. Wrong thinking is the only problem in life. Chapter 2. To have right knowledge. Chapter 3. To be selfless. Chapter 4. Every act can be act of prayer. Chapter 5. Don't say I and my. All is God's. Chapter 6. Pray to God every day. Chapter 7. Live what you learn. Chapter 8. Never give up on yourself. Chapter 9. Always value your blessings. Chapter 10. See God all around you. Chapter 11. Surrender to God to see the truth. Chapter 12. Keep God in your mind. Chapter 13. Detach from Maya and attach to God. Chapter 14. Live with God in your heart. Chapter 15. Always put God in first place. Chapter 16. Be good to others. Chapter 17. Choose the right path for yourself. Chapter 18. Let's move to union with God. Namaste.
Jai Shri Krishna and Namaste to one and all. This year we celebrate Krishna Janmashtami on the 12th of August. This marks the celebration of Lord Krishna, who is believed to be the 8th incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Did you know Lord Krishna was not born with his blue complexion? In fact, when Lord Krishna was just a baby, he was poisoned by a demon. The demon gave him poisoned milk, which caused him to turn blue. I would like to wish you all a happy, peaceful and loving Janmashtami. Namaste.
Jai Shri Krishna. On Krishna's birthday, everyone worships him. Krishna's parents were Vasudeva and Devika. Vasudeva's brother Kansa was a very cruel king.
and he jailed Vasudeva and Devika because he was told that one of their children would defeat him and take his kingdom. Every single child that was born, Kans killed him. Vasudeva made a plan for his 8th child, Krishna. He managed to get Krishna to the gopis. That's where he discovered the flute, and Krishna started playing the flute. Every time he played the flute, everyone came and danced and listened around him. On Diwali day, Krishna went to evil King Kansa and defeated him and freed his parents. Krishna Kanhaiya Lal Ki Jai.
Calmness, gentleness, silence, self-restraint, and purity. These are the disciplines of the mind. Krishna. About 5,000 years ago, there was a great king called Shantanu. His son, Devavrat, gave up the position as heir to the throne. This was a very great promise. Great action is also called Bhishma. Devavrat became famous as Bhishma. During the same time period, Krishna was born. This occurred on the 8th day of Bhadrapad. We celebrate Krishna's birthday every year as Krishna Janmashtami. Vasudeva and Devaki were Krishna's parents. The wicked king Kans was his uncle. Kans imprisoned Krishna's parents. They had 7 children in the prison and they were all killed. Krishna was the 8th child and he was secretly sent to Gokul by Vasudeva. He was cared for by Nanda and Yashoda. Krishna grew up to be very brave and he killed his uncle Kans. King Shantanu had 2 grandsons, Dhritarashtra and Pandu. Pandu had 5 sons and they were called the Pandavas. Dhritarashtra had 100 sons and they were called the Kauravas. Amongst the brothers and the cousins, Arjuna, one of the Pandavas, was the greatest archer. A feud between the Kauravas and Pandavas had begun. After losing a game of dice, the Pandavas had to spend 12 years in the forest and 1 year in hiding. After those 13 years, the Pandavas and the Kauravas went into war. This was called the Battle of Mahabharat. Shri Krishna fought on the side of the Pandavas. Arjuna refused to fight against his relatives, elders, and teachers. Shri Krishna advised him accordingly, and these teachings were recorded in the Bhagavad Gita. At the end of the battle, only the Pandavas and Krishna remained. Shri Krishna helped the Pandavas win, and he is remembered for his many great actions today. He was a warrior, a hero, a teacher, and a philosopher. Jai Shri Krishna.
Namaste. I am delighted to be saying something on Krishna Janmashtami today, as we have been studying the Bhagavad Gita in class, and the epic interests me greatly. Krishna Janmashtami, as we all know, is the celebration of Krishna Bhagavan. But while we should celebrate the miraculous birth of the deity, at this time it would be far more fitting to pay tribute to his life. That is what I will do today. In the Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Sri Krishna is described as an enigma, a riddle. He seemed to always know the answer, but preferred to give advice that prompted the recipient to apply it to their own unique lives and situations. This advice, confoundingly, is still applicable today. We believe in Dharma, and ultimately the complex eternity of our religion. Bhagavan Sri Krishna was the 8th incarnation of the second of the trilogy, Vishnu Bhagavan, the preserver. What did he preserve? He preserves the very essence of reality. The deity advises Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Yada yada hi dharmasya, nani bhavati bharata. He proclaims that he is the preserver of religious practice, of dharma itself. When there is a gross inclination of irreligion or adharma, then he will descend. The essence of the Bhagavad Gita, I believe, is knowledge. The vast plains of knowledge that Krishna held in the palm of his hand, like milk, and how he shared it. He shared with the Pandavas and all who would read the great epic for years to come, because the sole purpose of our existence is to know God. Krishna chose to share his wisdom with us because we need it. We cannot comprehend the enormity of existence, and we need a hand to guide us through. This hand, I believe, is Dharma. In order to achieve the highest plane of existence, or moksha, we need something to enable us to be good people, to gain good karma, to progress in the never-ending cycle of life. We need Dharma because without it, there would be chaos. Bhagavan Sri Krishna realizes this, and in the complex words of the Gita, he urges us to follow Dharma. He shows us how. To stay true to ourselves and to stay true to our ancestors, our religion and our family. Krishna enables us to take his knowledge, apply it to our own lives, and ultimately to be the ultimate version of ourselves. I think that we are slowly forgetting that, and that is why now, more than ever, we need our Dharma, and we need to heed the words of Krishna. Thank you.
Namaste. On this special occasion of Krishna Janmashtami, I would like to send best wishes to all of you listening in. I have a beautiful song dedicated to Lord Krishna as a child. It also characterizes the eternal love of a mother for her child. बड़ा नटखट है रे कृष्ण कन्हैया का कर यशोदा मैया बड़ा नटखट है रे कृष्ण कन्हैया का कर यशोदा मैया बड़ा नटखट है रे ढूंढे रे अखियाँ उसी चाहुआ जाने कहाँ छुप गया नंद किशोर ढूंढे रे अखियाँ उसी चाहुआ जाने कहाँ छुप गया नंद किशोर उड़ गया ऐसे जैसे पुरवैया का करे यशोदा मैया मैया रे का करे यशोदा मैया बड़ा नटखट है रे आता है कृष्ण कन्हैया का करे यशोदा मैया बड़ा नटखट है रे। नंदलाला कन्हैया मुरे बंसी बजैया, नंदलाला कन्हैया मुरे बंसी बजैया, नंदलाला कन्हैया मोही मोही ऐसे नहीं छेड़ो सावरे, सुन सुन मौसे नहीं खेलो दावरे, जाके यशोदा से कह दूंगी रे, कान्हा सो जा सदा, ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा, लुक छुप के तकियो ना मोही, कान्हा सो जा जरा, ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा, नैनों से ना छूना मोही, कान्हा सो जा जरा, ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा, कान्हा सो जा जरा, ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा।
કેન્દ્રના સર્વેને સૌને જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ। આજનો દિવસ એટલે દ્વારિકાધીશ મારો, જેનો જન્મ થયો વ્રજમાં, ગુજરાતમાં જેણે કર્મભૂમિ બનાવી એવાનો મારો જન્મદિવસ। અને એ દિવસે માત્ર મારા શબ્દ થકી એક જ વસ્તુ કહીશ કે હે દ્વારિકાનો નાથ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, દ્વારિકાનો નાથ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, તમે મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા, તમે મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, ગાયોનો ગોવાળ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, માખણનો ચોર મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, દ્વારિકાનો નાથ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, તમે મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા, તમે મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, સુદામાનો મિત્ર મારો દ્વારિકાનો નાથ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, રાધાનો શ્યામ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા, એણે મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, મીરાનો માધવ રે ગિરધર ગોપાલ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, દ્વારિકાનો નાથ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, સબરીનો રામ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, તમે મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા, તમે મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, દ્વારિકાનો નાથ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા, મને માયા લગાડી મારા વાલા, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે. ગાયોનો ગોવાળ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે. કેન્દ્રનો આધાર મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે. દ્વારિકાનો નાથ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે, એણે મને માયા લગાડી રે. દ્વારિકાનો નાથ મારો રાજા રણ છોડ છે, કેન્દ્રની માયા લગાડી રે. સૌને આજના જન્માષ્ટમીના પાવન પર્વ નિમિત્તે જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ, જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे, तुमरे बिन हमारा कौनो नहीं. हमरे उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, तुमरे बिन हमारा कौनो नहीं. तुम्हें हमका ओ संभाले, तुम्हें हमारे रखवाले, तुमरे बिन हमारा कौनो नहीं. तुम्हें बिन हमारा कौनो नहीं, तुमरे बिन हमारा कौनो नहीं. चंदा में तुम्हें तो भरी हो चांदनी, सूरज में उजाला तुम्हीं से. ये गगन है मगन, तुम्हें तो दे हो सितारे भगवन. ये जीवन तुम्हें न सवालो कि तो क्या कोई सवारे. ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे, तुमरे बिन हमारा कौनो नहीं. जो सुनो तो कहे प्रभु जी हमरे है बिनती, दुख जन को धीरज दो, हारे नहीं वो कभी दुख से. तुम निर्मल को रक्षा दो, तुम पाए निर्बल सुख से. भक्ति को शक्ति दो, भक्ति को शक्ति दो. जग के जो स्वामी हो, इतनी तो अर्ज सुनो. है पद में अनियारे, दे दो वरदान में उजियारे. ओ पालनहारे
ओ, बड़ी देर भई नंद लाला तेरी राह तके ब्रिजवाला। बाल बाल एक एक से पूछे कहाँ है मुरली वाला रे। बड़ी देर भई नंद लाला तेरी राह तके ब्रिजवाला। बड़ी देर भई नंद लाला तेरी राह तके ब्रिजवाला। कोई न जाए कुंज गलिन में तुझ बिन कलियां चुनने को। तरस रहे हैं, तरस रहे हैं जमुना के तट धुन मुरली की सुनने को। अब तो तरस दिखा दे नटखट क्यों दुविधा में डाला रे। बड़ी देर भई नंद लाला तेरी राह तके ब्रिजवाला। बड़ी देर भई नंद लाला तेरी राह तके ब्रिजवाला। संकट में है आज वो धरती जिस पर तूने जन्म लिया। पूरा कर दे ओ, पूरा कर दे आज वचन वो गीता में जो तूने दिया। कोई नहीं है तुझ बिन मोहन दुनिया का रखवाला रे। बड़ी देर भई नंद लाला तेरी राह तके ब्रिजवाला। ग्वाल बाल एक एक से पूछे कहाँ है मुरली वाला रे। बड़ी देर भई नंद लाला तेरी राह तके ब्रिजवाला। बड़ी देर भई नंद लाला तेरी राह तके ब्रिजवाला। बड़ी देर भई नंद लाला ओ, जय श्री कृष्ण।
मुरली की मधुर सा
Vasudev Kutumbakam, Hare Krishna. My best wishes to all my friends all over the world on this auspicious day of Janmashtami. May Lord Krishna's blessings and love prosper on everyone.
यशोमती मैया से बोले नंद लाला, राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला। यशोमती मैया से बोले नंद लाला, राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला। राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला। बोली मुस्काती मैया ललन को बताया, बोली मुस्काती मैया ललन को बताया। कारी अंधियारी आधी रात में तू आया, लाडला कन्हैया मेरा हो, लाडला कन्हैया मेरा काली कमली वाला, इसीलिए काला। यशोमती मैया से बोले नंद लाला, राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला। राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला। बोली मुस्काती मैया सुन मेरे प्यारे, बोली मुस्काती मैया सुन मेरे प्यारे। गोरी गोरी राधिका के नैन कजरारे, काले नैनों वाली ने हो, काले नैनों वाली ने ऐसा जादू डाला, इसीलिए काला। यशोमती मैया से बोले नंद लाला, राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला। राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला। राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला।
झूमे झूमे सारी धरती, झूमे आसमां, देख कान्हा का मुखड़ा शर्माए चंद्रमा। गोविंदा लारे। झूमे झूमे सारी धरती, झूमे आसमां, देख कान्हा का मुखड़ा शर्माए चंद्रमा। गोविंदा लारे। चंद्र छवि है ऐसी प्यारी, जिस पे जाए जग बलिहारी। चंद्र छवि है ऐसी प्यारी, जिस पे जाए जग बलिहारी। नंद लाल का जन्मदिन मनाए जहाँ, नंद लाल का जन्मदिन मनाए जहाँ। देख कान्हा का मुखड़ा शर्माए चंद्रमा। गोविंदा लारे। गोविंदा आला रे आला, जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज वाला। गोविंदा आला रे आला, जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज वाला। गोविंदा आला रे आला, जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज वाला। गोविंदा आला रे आला, जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिज वाला।
तीन लोक के नाथ कन्हैया जी ने जन्म लियो रे। तीन लोक के नाथ कन्हैया जी ने जन्म लियो रे। एक ही घर आधी रात कन्हैया जी ने जन्म लियो रे। जन्म लियो रे, जन्म लियो रे, जन्म लियो रे, जन्म लियो रे। तीन लोक के नाथ कन्हैया जी ने जन्म लियो रे। देवकी घर आधी रात कन्हैया जी ने जन्म लियो रे।
नंद के आनंद भयो,
जगदीश हरे।
मात पिता तुम मेरे शरण कहूँ किसकी,
स्वामी शरण कहूँ किसकी।
तुम बिन और न दूजा,
तुम बिन और न दूजा,
आस करूं जिसकी।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
तुम पूरन परमात्मा तुम अंतर्यामी,
स्वामी तुम अंतर्यामी।
पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर,
पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर,
तुम सबके स्वामी।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
तुम करुणा के सागर तुम पालन करता,
स्वामी तुम पालन करता।
मैं मूरख खल कामी,
मैं सेवक तुम स्वामी।
कृपा करो भरता।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
तुम हो एक अगोचर सबके प्राणपति,
स्वामी सबके प्राणपति।
किस विध मिलो दयामय,
जिस विध मिलूं दयामय,
तुमको मैं कुमति।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
दीन बंधु दुख हरता ठाकुर तुम मेरे,
स्वामी रक्षक तुम मेरे।
अपने हाथ उठाओ,
अपनी शरण लगाओ,
द्वार पड़ा तेरे।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
विषय विकार मिटाओ, पाप हरो देवा,
स्वामी पाप हरो देवा।
श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ,
श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ,
संतन की सेवा।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे। स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे। भक्त जनों के संकट, दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे। स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे। भक्त जनों के संकट, दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवामि सहितं नमामि। मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं कुण्डलीकाक्षे मङ्गलाय तनोहरि। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते। नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते। नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते।
शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिर्ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वं शान्तिः शान्तिः